Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling an interesting coding interview problem called Combination Sum 3. If you are preparing for technical interviews, this is a classic backtracking problem that really helps test your understanding of recursion and combination logic. Let's dive in. The problem asks us to find all valid combinations of numbers that satisfy two specific conditions. We are given two integers as input. First, k, which represents the count of numbers we must use. And second, n, which is the target sum that these numbers must add up to. There are some strict rules we need to follow. First, we are only allowed to use the digits 1 through 9. Second, each number can be used at most once. No duplicates are allowed in a single combination. And third, the set of exactly k numbers must sum up to our target n. Let's look at an example where k is 3 and n is 7. We need three distinct numbers that add up to 7. One valid answer is 1, 2, and 4. However, 1, 1, and 5 is invalid because the number 1 is repeated. 3 and 4 is invalid because we only used two numbers instead of 3. And 1, 2, and 3 is invalid because the sum is 6, not 7. To solve this, we use a technique called backtracking. Imagine exploring a maze. We try adding a number to our list. If it works, we move forward and try to pick the next number. If we hit a dead end, meaning the sum gets too high or we run out of numbers, we backtrack. We remove the last number and try a different one. We can visualize this as a tree. We start with a sum of 0. From there, we branch out by picking 1 or 2 or 3 and so on. At each step, our sum increases. If we pick 1, our new sum is 1. From there, we can pick 2, making the sum 3. We keep building this tree until we find our target or bust. We can optimize our search by pruning branches that won't lead to a solution. For example, if our current sum already exceeds the target n, there is no point in adding more positive numbers, so we stop immediately. Also, if we have already selected more than k numbers, we stop. This saves a lot of computation time. Here is the step-by-step algorithm. We start with an empty list. Our base case checks if we have exactly k numbers with sum, and if not, we loop through numbers from our starting point up to 9. Inside the loop, we add the number, recurse to find the next one, and then backtrack by removing the number to explore other possibilities. Looking at the pseudocode, we define a function that takes the starting number, current combination, and current sum. We check our base case first. Then we loop from the start number to 9. Notice the recursive call passes i+1 to ensure we don't reuse the same number, and we update the current sum. Let's talk about efficiency. Since our pool of numbers is limited to just the digits 1 through 9, the input size is small and fixed. This means the time complexity is effectively constant, or O of 1, in practice. The space complexity depends on the recursion depth, which is determined by k. To wrap up, Combination Sum 3 is a great problem to master backtracking. Remember the constraints: digits 1 through 9 only and no duplicates. Use pruning to optimize your solution and keep the recursion depth in mind. Thanks for watching and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.